team, survey is a go. Clear this access zone first. Got it. Watch for hazards. Readings are consistent. We're ready to proceed. The thermal imaging confirms the core temperature. Right, the structural integrity looks compromised here. Let's reroute the primary access zone to... Keep pushing, it's almost loose. Heavy on the left. There, it's braking. Watch your step. Keep pushing, it's almost loose. Heavy on the left. There, it's braking. Watch your step. All right, teams, let's clear the rest of this. Copy that, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, pull. We did it. The awakening begins.
We requested a room with a view of the falls. Is that available? Yes, we've upgraded you to a deluxe suite overlooking the waterfall.
This view is absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like it. The architecture is